What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Finally, we arrived our destiny, our new place, our new home yesterday. Let's take a look, guys. Hey guys, since I slept too late last night, today I wake up late, and now it's 11 a.m. in this time, in Oklahoma time. Now we are ready, charging gas, and we're ready to go. We're ready to go our last 5 hours. It shows 4 hours 55 minutes to our destiny. Let's see. I can't wait to see our new house, new apartment in Arkansas. We just need to cross over the Oklahoma, this state, and then stop at our apartment. Right after the border of Oklahoma, it's Arkansas, where we're gonna live for next 1 year. Let's see, guys. Yes, my wife went to store to get some coffee, and then we will go. I'll see you guys. Just got this blue boy oven. Let's see, can I? After Gatorade, I'm just pouring Gatorade to my car, guys. It's Gatorade. No, it's like a windshield fluid. I need to clean the glasses. Okay, after this, we will start our trip. $1,800 miles since I started from the California.
This house squeaks too much. This is my view outside. Dollar General we went to today, and then the Holiday Inn, and this is our backyard, basically.
Alright guys, we finally got our house yesterday, and because of we were too late, we didn't do that much of things. Today we went to the internet company. We just set up the internet so that I can upload the video to you guys. This house is two times bigger than my old house, but it's 1/3 of my old house price. So why not, right? So it is pretty cool. Thanks for you guys to follow us for this 4-day trip, and it's amazing. It's amazing feeling. Share the trip with you guys, and if anything new and anything nice in this city, in this state, I will keep sharing with you guys. I will go and take some video and keep sharing you guys. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a like button, guys. Thank you again, and I will see you guys next time.